Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your GE dryer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that your control panel on your GE dryer is glitching out. How do you actually go ahead and reset it? Now there's two ways you can go about this. The first way is that you could actually go ahead and unplug your GE dryer. So go ahead and unplug it, leave it unplugged for about, I'd say 5 to 10 minutes until all electrical currents go ahead and clear out. And then once it's been 5 to 10 minutes, you can go ahead and replug it back in and seeing if that works. Now, if you don't have access to your electrical outlet right over here, the next thing that you can do is that you could actually go ahead and into your electrical breaker and turn it off. So go ahead and disconnect it from your electrical breaker and then turn it back on, same thing. Once you go ahead and turn off the breaker for about 5 to 10 minutes, go ahead and turn it back on and seeing if that works. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and soft reset your GE dryer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.